What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be disassembling my PC and showing you what's inside of it. So let's start. Alright guys, so I got the heatsink off, and you're not going to see the footage of when I did that because I had to wrestle with this thing. And even with the time lapse it was really long, so yeah. Alright, so I'm going to save the processor for last, so I guess we'll go with the graphics card next. Alright guys, so this is my GTX 1060. As you could see, I lost one of the screws in there. I'll just look for it a bit, but yeah, it's pretty good. I took off the lid once. I'm not gonna do that again because I forgot to screw the top back on, and as soon as I turn on my yeah, it's missing a screw. But as soon as I turned on my PC, the bottom with the heatsink and everything fell off, and I had to put it back together, and it was kind of annoying. So moving on, let's see what we got next. My two RAM sticks, we got Corsair Value Select, which this is actually what I put in my PC, and this came with it. And I've actually never taken out my RAM before because I just never could like get it out, and like this is the first time I've gotten it out, so it's probably gonna be annoying to get it back in. But yeah, actually I don't know if this is a well-known brand or not. I don't really pay attention to RAM, but yeah, you guys tell me in the comments. Alright, now let's move on to the processor. Fairly easy because, you know, it's just easy to take out. And I'm actually gonna clean this thing off because it's got hair on it. But yeah, this is my Ryzen 2400G. Being careful not to touch the pins because that will, you know, be very, very bad. But yeah, it's good. My PC came with this too. I'm probably gonna replace it. But yeah, I have to put all this stuff back in. Oh, and I put the RAM back in because I didn't feel like fiddling with it. But yeah, this is all my stuff.